Thinking. In everyday language, we have been using the term thinking with a wide variety of meanings. Let us consider a few examples. First one, I need to do some more thinking before I can make a decision. Here, thinking refers to the process of analyzing options before coming to a conclusion. Second one, I think we should order pizza for dinner. In this sentence, thinking is used to express an opinion. Third one, I was thinking about going for a run this morning. In this case, thinking refers to the process of considering and making a decision about a particular activity. Now, what are you thinking about? Just subscribe this channel if you are new here, then watch other videos in the channel, share it with students and those who love learning psychology. Let's go to the details. Thank you. Definition of thinking. Thinking is the process of consciously generating and manipulating thoughts and ideas in the mind. Warren H.C. and L. Carmichael in 1930, they defined thinking as a symbolic initiated by a problem or task which the individual is facing, involving some trial and errors, but under the directing influence of that problem and ultimately leading to a conclusion or solution of the problem. So that is the definition of thinking. Thinking is a higher mental process. Thinking comes under cognitive psychology. It is a branch of psychology that deals with higher mental process. It is a process that remains until death. People think even in dreams and sleep. Cognitive abilities like thinking, reasoning, and problem solving may be considered to be some of the chief characteristics which distinguish human beings from other species, including the higher animals. Thinking is an essential process for humans. It allows us to solve problems, learn new information, understand concepts, and process our experiences. Thinking involves the entire process of learning, remembering, and organizing mentally to understand the information better and recall it later. So, thinking is a higher mental process. Thinking is a complex and multifaceted process that is central to human cognition, and it continues to be an important area of study in psychology. We will learn more about thinking in the upcoming videos. So please subscribe. Thank you and keep smiling.